First method to earn money online. How to earn money online in Pakistan without investment. As a businessman, these ways are all related to your skills. You can earn like an entrepreneur. If you have a skill, it can also create a job for many jobless Pakistanis and transform the country. We will discuss here many ways and skills you can use to make money online. Blogging. Let's start with blogging. The blog is a common word that everyone knows. You can earn a living by blogging. You should use this platform if you have writing skills and are also a graduate or intermediate student. You can write a blog and share your thoughts, learning experiences, and stories about your life. A blog can be made without any investment by using blogging.com, which is a totally free site. Create a blog by following instructions in this video. The next question is, how can you make money with blogging? With blog websites, there are a number of ways to make money online. Google AdSense is one of the most popular methods. With Google AdSense, you can monetize your website. Your site will display ads after monetization. You will make passive income when someone lands on your site and clicks on the ads. Another way to earn money from a blog is to promote products and review them. You are hired by many companies to review their products on your blog. You will earn next level earnings. If you are interested in learning more about earning from a blog, search on Google and YouTube. Money online is freelancing. In Pakistan, freelancing is a very popular way to earn money online without investing. Your skills can be sold internationally from Pakistan. You must have skills for freelancing. You can resell someone else's skills if you don't have any. Several platforms are available where you can register for free to join for freelancing, such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Grow. Skills play a vital role. Freelancing without a skill is like being a body without a heart. Learn a skill if you want to make money. If you have a skill and you are an expert, there no one beats you. Secondly, how can I earn money by freelancing? Created a profile on freelancing website such as Fiverr will help you to find work which receives order from clients. You must complete this order before the deadline. The third way to make money online in Pakistan with YouTube without investment in 2022. The third best way, my most favorite way to make money online without investment in Pakistan 2022. You can also make money online in Pakistan without investing by becoming a YouTuber. Once you have everyone knows about YouTube, you can making easily uploading videos to YouTube and achieving thousands of subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube in the first step.